Hello guys. A lot of people use moving averages either in swing trading, it means short-term trading, or in investing, and they rely on them because they don't know something else. Okay? Now I will tell you something. Moving averages are the sum of some closing days and divided by the number of days, and then you have two lines. Most of the time they give you two numbers, okay, and it is just the sum of these days. If they cross, you buy, and then if they cross, sell. This is what they say. This is just a small strategy based on a price, but it is not enough, because sometimes the two lines cross and it's going up, and then someone short the stock and it's going down. So it doesn't work as you might think. It's not. It is just when you see things automatic thing. This is called automatic thing, because if they cross and the stock is going up, there is no guarantee that the stock will continue to go up. If there is a sell-off, or someone short, or there are bad news or bad earning information, the stock will go down, and it will cross again down, and it will show that. So what is this moving average? It is just automated thing based on the close prices of the days that they show. Okay, moving averages, you find 250, you find 50 days, you find 100 days, whatever days you put, and you will see two lines. Okay, but understand in real world that trading is human. What does it mean, human? You see that the two lines cross and you begin to make money. Then a mutual fund comes to sell all his shares. What will happen? There is a sell-off. So these two lines that they cross few days, they will cross again and they will go down. So you are just following lagging information. It means information of the past. It is something of the past. It doesn't show the future. Okay? It doesn't predict nothing. When you see that, you don't predict nothing. So all depends on what happened to the market and the participant of the stock, either hedge fund or other traders, or big hands in the market like mutual funds or pension plans or insurance companies or banks or whatever. All those who have money, okay? So they can change anything at any time. So moving averages, it is not a sure thing. If you are using it, it's not a sure thing, and you might have seen a lot of times when you buy using it, and then you see the trade goes wrong later, and then you lose money. So it is not a sure thing. That's why, if you want to learn the right way, try to check my training, how I search for stocks, what is the signal I get, and why do you buy these stocks, okay, on momentum. Okay, if things goes well, you will be making money. If things goes wrong, you put stop loss and you exit the trade. As easy as that. You don't need to use indicators. You don't need to use moving averages. You don't need to see the company news. You don't go online and see information at all. I'm telling you. You don't go to CNN or CNBC or Bloomberg or any website that tells you what happened this day. This is stupid. You go online and you check the indexes, Dow Jones or SP 500, or you check, for example, the industries or sectors, and you will see if they are doing good or bad. Okay? So you don't need a person to tell you, oh, today Dow Jones have gone down 100 points. Is it this so difficult to know? Okay? And if they so understand that they just, all this media that you see, If you follow the media, you will have tons of problems. You will be always confused because what they say is always opposite to each other. You go to analysis, for example, any stock. Someone tells you hold, someone tells you buy, someone tells you sell, someone tells you I don't know. Okay, which one are you going to believe in? Do they know the future? No, they don't. So you also can have your own opinion, and it is better opinion than them because no one knows the future. Okay, and some people online, like if you go to big TVs, they give recommendation: buy this, sell this, buy this, that. Man, this is a big problem. Okay, buy this company because there are good news in the future. Okay, this is anyway. And when you see the stock, is going down. It means this company is in trouble. But they ask other people, ask you to buy. When you buy, it goes more in trouble, and then it goes bankrupt, and then you lose all your money. So be careful. Try always, when you buy a stock, put stop loss to protect yourself. If you don't know how to use stop loss, go to training level 6. How to calculate stop loss. I will give you the basic thing that you should see when you want to do calculation. It's not easy. Okay, it's not put 2%, 1%, or 5% or 10% for all the stocks. It will never happen, and it will never happen like this in the market, and you are wrong, because most of the people online, they just give you a number and they don't know because they don't trade. Anyone can read books about stop loss, put 1%, 2%. Okay, but you put 2% in some stocks, you always exit the trade. Always your stop loss is triggered. Why? Because you don't know how to put stop loss. As simple as this. Okay? So, as I told you before, moving averages is just calculation of the closing days, prices. Okay? We have two lines, or sometimes we have only one line, and you follow it, and some people they use it. Okay, if you think that you are right and you are making it from it, okay, continue with that. If you want a new approach to swing trading, how to trade swing trading, it means to stay many days or weeks or months in the same trade. Okay, I will teach you how to do it, and I have a live trade that I am in for 4 months. You can check that live. It means it's not there's 4 months and then I begin to explain how is this. No, I explain for each week. I put one video or two, and I explain what will be next, and what is in the past, and what will be next, and what should I do. And this is the good thing about swing trading, is you can verify what I say into these trades, and you can understand the practice of training level 7. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you have more questions, you will find my email in the description. Just send me an email and we can discuss this into details if you have more questions. Thank you.